Good morning student, welcome back to Math for class 12. Today is the topic of derivative function of parametric forms. This is a parametric form. So now study a parametric form and find the derivative of a given functions. Clear? So and find dy dx by the parametric form. Okay. Then question and example number 29, 30, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41 are important for board examination. Okay. And solve this example and exercise 5.6 here. Question number 1, this type parameter x equal to 2at square and y equal to 80 square. 80 raised to 4, sorry. 80 raised to 4. This is parameter form. Parameter by parameter metric form. Parametric form. Metric parameter form. Okay. This function x is function of t, y is also function t. Means both x and y function of a single variable. So this t value, so x function in term of t, y function is also in t. So that is derivative of x and y with respect to t. And differentiate with respect to t. Dx upon dt equal 2a into 2t. Clear? And dy dt a into 4t cube. Clear? 280 square and this. So 2 2s are 480 and this equal to 4a t cube. Therefore dy dx equal dy dt upon dx upon dt. Okay, dt dt can the dy dx. Okay, and dy dt dx upon dt. So dy dt form this 4at cube upon dx by dt 4at. 4a cancel and dt this square. That your answer. Same this type question. Okay, now let question number 6. X equal to a theta minus sine theta and y equal to a1 plus cos theta. Now differentiate with respect to x, both function. Okay, this function is theta, so dx upon d theta with respect to theta. A is constant, dy d theta of theta minus dy d theta of sine theta. If this equal to a bracket, this bracket d d theta 1 minus sine theta change to cos theta and dy d theta this a and this equal to 0, constant function 0, d minus sine theta, ddx of cos theta equal to minus sine theta. Okay, so this is a minus a sine theta. Find dy dx, this equal to dy upon d theta or dx upon d theta, this function. Y this minus a sine theta upon this a bracket 1 minus cos theta. A cut minus sine theta upon, take minus common, cos theta minus 1 minus cut. This is equal to sine theta upon cos theta minus 1. And this already changed to 2 sine theta cos theta by sine 2a upon cos theta 1 minus 2 sine square theta, this minus 1. Okay, so 2 sine theta cos theta, this is already this sine theta with theta by 2 already. sorry, okay, cos theta, cos theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 minus 1, this plus 1 minus 1 cancel upon theta by 2 cos theta by 2 on 2 sin square theta by 2 by sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, that's formula. 2 2 cut, sin square cut, cos theta by 2 upon minus sin theta by 2, this is equal to minus cot theta by 2 answer. Okay, so next question number 7, important question for board examination, most important. This x equal to, most repeated this question, sin qt upon under root cos 2t, y equal to cos qt upon under root cos 2t, both differentiate with respect to t, both. Okay, so find dx upon dt by division method, dt sin qt upon under root cos 2t. Okay, so this equal to second under root cos 2t into ddx of cos, so 3 sin square t and ddt of sin t cos t. Okay, and minus sin qt ddx, this 1 upon 2, this under root 1 by 2 minus 1, then direct solve. Okay, 1 ddx of cos t, this cos t, this 1 upon 2 cos 2t, and ddt this and 2. Okay, and ddt of cos t minus sin 2t and ddt of 2t and 2, this 2 2 cut, this equal to 3 under root cos 2t sin square t cos t minus minus plus this sin cube t or sin 2t upon under root cos 2t. Okay, upon whole square, under root cos 2t whole square, this upon square root cancel 2t, take LCM, under root cos 2t is 1 whole square 3, so 3 cos 2t sin square t cos t plus this sin qt sin 2t sin 2t, right, upon this into this cos 2t into under root cos 2t. Okay, this is a dx upon dt number 1 and dy dt. Find here y is a cos qt, so second under root cos 2t ddx of, right here cos qt minus cos qt dy dx of under root cos 2t upon under root cos 2t whole square by division method. Okay, derivative of division method, under root cos 2t 3dx of cos cube 3 cos square t and ddt of cos t minus sin t minus cos qt ddc of this 1 upon 2 1 as under root upon cos 2t. Okay, and ddc of cos 2 minus sine 2t into d dt of t 2 to cut upon under root cos 2t square. So I say square root cancel this minus 3 under root cos 2t cos square t sin t minus minus plus cos qt and sin 2t और दिस होल स्क्वायर और ये कॉमन डायरेक्टली लिया मैंने और तो हो गया अंडर रूट cos 2t into cos 2t दिस LCM ओके LCM लेके मैं डायरेक्ट कर दूँ सो दिस इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3 cos 2t cos square t sin t cos qt sin 2t upon under root cos 2t into cos 2t. Okay, this is dy dt. Find dy dx equal to dy dt upon dx upon dt, this function. Okay, this y. So this and this also cut, this number 2. Okay, denominator cancel, so this minus 3 cos 2t cos square t sin t plus cos qt sin 2t upon 3 cos 2t cos 2t sin square t into cos t plus sin qt and cos into sin 2t sin 2t sin 2t. Sin 2t. Okay, so putting this value minus 3 cos 2t or this cos square t sin t plus cos qt, this sin 2t change to 2 sin t cos t or cos t, and this is also 3 cos 2t and sin square t cos t plus sin cube t into 2 sin t cos t, 2 sin t cos t common, sin t cos t common. So now let sin t cos t common, so dy dx equal to 3 cos 2t minus 3 cos 2t side change to here. This dy dx equal to sin t cos t common minus 3 cos 2t and cos t cos t sin t common, this cos t and this plus, and this cos qt into 2 cos qt upon sin t cos t common 3 cos 2t and this sin t plus sin qt into sin t cos t common. Okay, this right. This one minus 3 cos t, so cos 2t change to in this cos form, or this cos 2t change to sin form. Cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. This form sin square a change, or this form to cos square form. Okay, so minus common is 3 bracket 2 cos square t minus 1 into cos t, minus common this into minus, and 2 cos cube t upon 3 bracket 1 minus, this is a sin function, so sin square t into sin t plus 2 sin cube t. Okay, minus bracket 2 3 is 6 cos cube t, cos into cos square cos cube t, or minus 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. Okay, upon 3 sin t, 3 sin t, 3 2 is 6 sin square 2 sin 2 sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t. Okay, this all minus 60 minus this 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t upon 3 sin t minus 4 minus 6, or this plus 2, the minus 4 sin cube t. This is formula of, this is a cos 3t, or this is 3 sin a minus 4 c sin 3t. This is equal to minus cot 3t. That your answer. Most important question for examination. This question coming in 4 marks. Okay, now let 10 question number 10 and 8 9 are same, very simple question, and 10 very simple, 10 also very simple. X equal to a cos theta plus theta sin theta, cos theta plus theta sin theta, theta sin theta, and y equal to a bracket sin theta minus theta cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, dx upon d theta, a ddx of theta upon cos theta plus dy d theta of theta sin theta, and dy d theta equal to a d theta sin theta minus dy d theta of theta cos theta. Okay, this, and dx upon d theta equal to a d theta by minus sin theta, and this product rule, theta sin dd of sin theta cos theta, theta cos theta. Okay, and plus sin theta d theta sin theta, this dy upon d theta a d theta by cos theta, by product rule, this theta or cos theta minus sin theta plus theta sin theta minus plus minus cos theta into theta of 1. Okay, so this value sin theta cut a theta cos theta, and d by d theta equal to cos theta cut a theta sin theta, right? And find dy dx. So this equal to dy d theta upon dx upon d theta. Okay, dy d theta a theta sin theta, or this a theta cos theta, a theta cut sin theta upon cos theta. This is equal to tan theta. That's your answer. Okay, simple question. And question number 11, important 11 question. Question number 11, important. If x equal to under root a raised to sin inverse t and y equal to under root a raised to cos inverse t, and prove that dy dx equal to minus y upon x. Okay, so differentiate this function. So let x equal to this, the log x equal to log under root a raised to sin inverse t. This is equal to 1 by 2 log a power sin inverse t. Okay, so this differentiate 1 upon x dx upon t dt, and differentiate with respect to t, and this function 1 upon t ddt of a raised to sin inverse t. This equal to 1 upon 2 ddt. This type question, a raised to this is already a raised to sin inverse t, and ddx of sin inverse t log a. This is direct method. So 1 upon x dx upon dt, this 1 upon 2 a raised to sin inverse t, ddx of sin, this is a constant value, log a is constant or sin inverse का t, 1 upon under root 1 plus 1 minus x square. Here sin inverse function, this formula ddt of sin inverse equal to this, x equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So this is a t, not a x, this by formula. So cross multiply dx upon dt equal to 1 upon 2 x, x means x dot a raised to sin inverse t log a upon under root 1 minus t square. So dx dt equal to 1 upon 2 x, this x equal to under root a raised to sin inverse t, okay, into a sin inverse t log a upon under root 1 minus t square. This is a 1. And find dy dt. So 1 upon y dy dt, this equal to, first taking log, okay, log y equal to 1 upon 2 log a raised to cos inverse t, and again differentiate with respect to t, 1 upon y dy dt, this 1 upon 2 ddt of log this function, okay, the dd of this function, this is also convert to dd, right? Okay, so 1/2 log this. So this function is cos t. It is this ddx of ddt of a raised to cos inverse t. Okay, log. So this function, this is equal to 1/2 and a raised to cos inverse t, a raised to cos inverse t into ddx of cos inverse t log a. So this way 1/2 a raised to cos inverse t, this is a log a, and this is a minus 1/√1 minus t square, and y, put this y, dy dt equal to 1/2 y equal to √a raised to cos inverse t into a raised to cos inverse t log a और minus upon √1 minus t square. So dy dt is equal to okay, upon a raised to cos inverse t, this side very mistake in here, d, this log a in this one, and this 1/, this a raised to, this is a log function, the log ddx of 1/, and dd of this, the 1/, a raised to sine inverse t is cut, this function upon a raised to sine inverse t, right, e cut equal to minus 1/2 √a cos inverse t log a upon √1 minus t square. So this is also y function. Okay, so find dy dx equal to dy dt upon dx upon dt. This 1/2 √a raised to sine inverse, cos inverse 1/2 cos √a 1/2 √a raised to cos inverse t log a upon √1 minus t square upon 1/2 √a raised to sine inverse t log a upon √1 minus t square, 1 minus t square, log 2 log cancel, 1/2 cancel, this one equal to minus √a raised to cos inverse t √a raised to sine inverse t. This is the value of dy dx equal to this value of y or this value of x. Do not change or this putting the value of x and y. This value is also y. y change कर सकते, मत रखो इसको वैल्यू y और x को, डायरेक्ट ये प्रूव. Okay, be serious. Okay, again this question mistake in this we type x equal to this, y equal to this. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, log x. Okay, log x, तो 1/x dy dx और 1/2 dy dt of a raised to sine inverse t, this dy dx, तो log 1/2 log a raised to sine inverse t, तो differentiate of log a inverse sine inverse t, तो log 1/this, again 1/t, this 1/2 or dd by dx of log, तो 1/a raised to sine inverse t in ddt of a inverse, the ddt of a inverse sine inverse t into log sine inverse dd by dx of log a. This is the direct method. So sine inverse t log a upon sine inverse t upon a sin inverse t, this is equal to this, and 1 upon 2x, this is a change in this form. Okay, नो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी, फाइंड एक्स एंड वाई, तो एक्स ही रहने देना, यहाँ पर ये वैल्यू एक्स की नहीं पुट करना, तब भी चलेगा, बाद में कर लोगे तो लंबा हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. दिस कट एंड दिस वाई वेन, एंड सेम वाई इक्वल टू 1/2 log cos inverse t, and differentiate 1/2 this 1/2 differentiate of log a cos inverse t, or log cos inverse t, log cos a inverse t. So this is a 1 on a cos inverse t, this is cut. So this 1/2 a cos inverse t log a minus 1 upon this a raised to cos inverse t, this missing, this I write here by under root, this cut. Okay, so this is a 2 equation. Then y dy dx dy dt this, and value put in, and okay, so y this function, this is a y this function not plus, this minus a, this cut equal to this, and minus 1. Okay, right, proof. Okay, solve these questions of exercise 5.6 of remaining questions. Thank you.